probably call this video going in blind. That's for several reasons. Number one, we're in a Venatic 6-sided ghillie blind. But the second reason is I'm going into this spot blind because I don't know what's been happening in this corner of the farm. If you have a really good memory, you'll recall that last year I hunted on the ground. It was maybe 100 to 200 yards further down along this edge. I simply came in one night, slipped in there and sat on the ground, saw plenty of deer, but they were all way too far away to shoot with my bow. One that evening, most of the deer came out right where this blind's at. Now that was a year ago, so who knows what they're going to do tonight, but over the summer I put this 6-sided ghillie blind in this spot, anticipating a hunt like we are tonight. Now something else in my favor, today I spent hours cutting the hayfield out in front of this blind, and that doesn't necessarily attract the deer to come and eat the cut hay, but they will come and investigate what I was doing today. I spent hours out here making a lot of noise, so I'm anticipating the deer coming and checking out what I was doing or what all the noise was about. So that's going to play into my favor. What is against me, they can come out anywhere here along this edge. Another thing to note is we have the sun shining right now. That's the first time in 5 days that we saw the sun. The remnants of Hurricane Ian had came up from the beginning of the season until now. We've had clouds and on and off rain for 5 days now. So the sun's out, so hopefully as it gets cooler this evening and as the sun sets, the deer will be up on their feet in plenty of time because of the nice weather. I'm going to get quiet. We're going to sit back. We're going to see what happens. Well, what a night that was. That almost worked to perfection. That doe and her fawn ended up working into within 20 yards of me, but I simply was not comfortable taking that shot. She was on edge from the time she came into the field until she had worked her way in within shooting range. I'm not sure how much footage you saw there, but she was there at least 15 or 20 minutes, and she was on edge the entire time. You could read her body language, her ears were back, her nose was working overtime, while her fawn was around there eating and not a care in the world. She never took a single bite to eat. Like I said, she was nervous. I think I got a little bit too cute, and when I put that camera out there at 20 yards for that extra angle, I obviously left a lot of scent out there. I was kneeling down in the actual camera itself, and I think that's what she was smelling, but I'm suspicious that camera might have cost me tonight. Now I want to make clear, I am not the perfect hunter, but in my younger days, I would have took a shot at that doe. She was at 20 yards, well within my shooting range, and I possibly could have made a clean shot on that doe. But as I get older and as I have made mistakes in the past and learned from those, I simply let that doe go tonight. I just tip my hat and say, you won tonight, we'll try it again another time. So I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.